Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to build one simple app? Connecting Airtable here, managing APIs there, and dealing with sync issues everywhere? I've been there. I know exactly how it feels and how frustrating it is to build a project of your dreams, such as a client portal, a sales CRM, or an employees directory, and it turns into a nightmare trying to integrate all of that. Well, Softr just quietly released one of the biggest updates of the year, Softr databases. I'm going to show you exactly how Softr databases make your life 10 times easier and how you can get started today. So let's get started. There's going to be a link down below to get started with Softr. Now, one of the key things about using this is you're not going to feel overwhelmed trying to connect your Google Sheet, your Airtable, whatever you're going to be using. You can be managing all of your data on one platform using Softr. So let's take a look. Once you create your account, you're going to be taken to your inside the dashboard. And here we can do two things. Number one, we can create a brand new application right here. But now, if you look here on the left-hand side, we have different types of databases, and we can go and use one of the templates right here. So we can create a new database. We can look at all of these different templates right here. We can preview them. For example, client portal, we can look at the type of database that we want to create. And then along with that, we can actually see all of the different types of things that can be included in that database. For example, projects, status, files, communication, and one view. All of those things you can break down depending on what kind of database you want to create. But let's start by creating a new application using a template. So I'm going to start with a template here. I'm going to go with a client portal. I'm going to click preview here. And I can see right here all the things that are included in the client portal, the template. I can see the features and also the functionality. I can look at some preview pages. So let's use this template. I'm going to click Use Template on the bottom right corner. We're going to use this template. It's going to think about its life for a moment, create this for us. Now, keep in mind the main difference when we have this. Look how beautiful it happens right here. We're logged in. But now that we have the basics right here, we can go to Data. And this, use in this app, we're using the Softr database. So we can actually click Softr databases. Then when we look at client portal by Softr, now we can navigate and have all of this right here in one application, right? So we didn't have to sync all of this information with a Google Sheet or Airtable. This cuts down on the time to sync because everything is right here bundled in one platform using Softr databases. But not only that, if we take a look at the different tables, and we can see this right here, we can click the button right here and we can add another table if we want to, but we can navigate the different tables in this database. We can look at names, we can look at emails, all of those things. We can also go across, but let's take a look at one thing. Let's go to companies. We're going to scroll over. We're going to click Add Field. And if we look at this right here, we can do a lot of different things with this field. So we can have ratings, formulas, checkboxes, but notice right here, relations. So we can now have different types of relationships with our records. So that is how different information is connected. So we can have one-to-one or one-to-many, depending on what you need for your database, but this is really powerful. So we have in the relations, related record, lookup, a roll-up field, or user. So this really allows us to power our database and have a richer experience all in one application. Now, we notice in just a few clicks, we already have all of the pages right here. We can click preview. And as we preview this real quick, we can preview as a user, a client. We can do a freelancer, or if we want to, we can go with a non-logged in view as well. So someone that's not logged in, we see what it would look like. Then as we can preview as, we can switch over to a client view. And I'm going to just say, it's warning me preview as a user. I understand. I'm going to say yes. And now I can navigate to see what the preview would look like as this type of user. And if I want to, I went to as a client, I can switch over what it would look like as an admin, right? See what is different, what it includes, all of those things. So this gives me the work and feel of building out my client portal in less than 7 minutes with going with that. Once this is what I like, or if I want to make certain edits, I can go to the database, decide how I want to do this. If everything looks good, then I can click publish and go from there. Now I can add a custom domain as well. I love the confetti. I'm going to open up in a new tab, and now we have this right here. So this is how you can take advantage of the new Softr databases. Wherever you are in your business, now you can have all of your information in one place and start building with less stress and be able to build in record time. If you like these videos, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to see how to build any type of application with Softr, there's going to be a link down below for the series of other Softr videos we've done throughout the years. Make sure you let us know what you're trying to build. And if you like these videos, we do this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.